Today we're sharing our recipe with the cafeteria, with all the kids, and also the teachers in our cafeteria in here.
So what are you guys serving today?
Today we're cooking Tony and Gianna's burrito.
So we've never made mass amount of burritos like this.
I'm very creative, so like when I cook, all my creativity I just put in food, so it tastes different.
This is my passion.
This is the state award-winning burrito.
We won the Fresh from Florida competition.
Come on, mix it up.
We did black beans, pinto beans, cilantro, corn.
We have green, red, and yellow, and orange peppers in it.
We're gonna get it nice and tight.
It's just about taking great ingredients, hiding them in a burrito so the kids are getting a nutritious meal and they don't know they're eating beans and peppers.
You do the meat consistently all the way down.
May we're gonna go to Kentucky and do the national competition, and we're gonna serve our recipe there too.
They're competing in a sport, but it's not football, it's not baseball, it's cooking. So they're actually vying to win a championship in culinary arts, which would lead them to a 2-year free college degree.
I feel like we're pretty prepared, and we're ready, we're confident, we know what we want, and we're gonna go and get it.